Alright, hey beautiful people, I am coming in really quick to show you my smoothie of choice this week. I am tapping back into my healing, honey. And so, yeah, I thought I'd just bring you guys along with me and show you guys what I'm into. I do a lot of intuitive healing, so even when I make my smoothies, I just pick fruits and I pick up fruits. I keep bags of fruits in the freezer, and then whichever ones that I gravitate towards or I feel for or that I just have at the time, I just assume that that's what I'm working on at the time. Whatever color that kind of correlates with the chakra at the time, I just feel like that's the energy I'm working with. So lately I've been on this strawberry mango kick, you know, so I am loving this strawberry mango combo. So I'm just assuming, Spirit, that we've been working root and sacral chakra, which we have. So let's get into it. I am going to probably honestly drink a little bit of this water because it's too much water. So I have about like 12 ounces of spring water. I use frozen fruit, and I'm just gonna put some in there. Lately I've been feeling a lot more mango-y, so a lot more sacral work. I'm tapping into that feeling good, you know, harnessing this sexual energy, channeling it up into this heart chakra, you know, giving myself that feel good and just putting that energy here in my heart center. You know, so, you know, nourishing myself. I'm tapping back into what it means to love myself again. So that's what I'm doing, okay? And so that's a lot of sacral energy, as you can see. Yeah, your girl's sacral energy is like through the charts. But root chakra, your girl has no earth in her chart. Like no earth in her chart, like none. There's nothing to ground me, like in my natal chart, like at all. So I will always, forever be working on my root chakra. Like grounding is a part of me and who I am. Like it's a routine, it's a lifestyle, and it has to be that. Like that's like, yeah, it's that serious. So root chakra for sure. So for me, grounding myself, feeling safe, finding that security within myself, the home within myself, which I've been doing that lately. Well, before I was like, just going. You see Curvy hit me going. She's working, you know, mom life, and I'm going. But I wasn't really taking the time out for myself, and this is something that I'm realizing that I just really need to focus on learning how to be still. Like really learning how to slow down, really learning how to embody this turtle energy. My spirit animal is a turtle, a sea turtle. So just learning how to embody this turtle energy. You know what I mean? So that's what I've been working on, and really just focusing on that feel good, like feeling good no matter what, like no matter who's around, no matter who says what, no matter whose opinion, like no matter what I like even my own negative thoughts, like, you know what I'm saying, like just learning to push past that and just tap into just pleasure and just all forms of pleasure, not even just sexual pleasure, just the things that make you feel magical. And I'm already 3 minutes in, but work with me, you guys. I'm gonna totally show you guys how to do this smoothie. So, right now we have frozen mangoes, frozen strawberries. This tastes so amazing. Now, what I'm gonna put in here is some agave. I don't use sugar, I don't use any of the extra shit. I just use water and agave because it's so good, and why not? Like, eventually I'll wean off the agave, you know what I'm saying? Because, you know, you're supposed to use your sweeteners here and there, but baby steps, baby. You gotta meet me where I'm at. And right now I'm here with the motherfucking agave. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Alright. Woo! Look at that. Just enough. Woo! I do too much. Not really. I probably don't do enough. I feel like my tribe be looking at me like, Case, you don't do enough. They love my crazy. They love it. Alright. So, now, I gotta be extra. I gotta put my herbs in there. So right now, I've been working with chlorella. Chlorella is really, really great for detoxifying your blood, for stripping it's really great for stripping the heavy metals from your bloodstream. So it kind of just like picks up the toxins and you got to drink a lot of water with it so that it can like flush it out. You know what I mean? So it's really, really great stuff. I'm gonna also put some acai berry in here. This is really high in antioxidants, antiviral, all that great stuff. Yeah, great for, you know, all types of ailments. But the next thing I'm gonna do is my Seamoss, because you can't do a smoothie without Seamoss. You can, but just wait. So your girl got her Seamoss. I made my Seamoss, okay? This is my batch, you know. I gotta make sure I have my batch. Now, let me get a spoon or a fork or something. Oh no, actually. All right, so we're just gonna do one scoop, Mikey. We're gonna do one scoop of the Seamoss. So we're gonna put that in there just like that. And that, my friends, is gonna make the best freaking smoothie you can imagine. I'm about to blend this bad boy up. Okay, so let us. All right. And let's get this bad boy going. So everybody, come on. How about, whoa, smoothie time. Whoa. Say yay! You wanna try it now? It's not done blending. You wanna try it now? Whoa! Alright, let's stop, here. Let's stop. Alright, you're gonna try it first, okay? You're gonna try it first. All right, here you go. Try it. No. All right, let me close it back then. No. Honey. It don't get no better than this, honey. No, you can't lick it off of that. Here, lick it off of this, here. Woo, Micah approved, honey. Okay, so, wow. That, my friends, is the Seamoss smoothie. We are working root and sacral chakra, and I guess Micah's working those chakras right now too. But root chakra is about security, your basic needs. It's about feeling protected, feeling grounded within yourself. I'm not sure if I mentioned that before, but that's literally what I'm working on. And then, like I said, sacral chakra, just channeling all this sacral, like this sexual energy somewhere, like, you know, into my, So that's what I'm doing, y'all. Tapping into what feels good again, that inner child. Micah, where's my smoothie? Now I'm gonna make my own smoothie. Micah always does that. But I love you guys so much. Thank you for checking in with me and this beautiful smoothie that we made. Yeah, if you're not into your smoothies yet, it's totally summertime. Go make a fruit smoothie. Like, you don't have to have the Seamoss in there. Like, yeah, Seamoss is the big craze right now, the hype. But there are other medicinal herbs. As you saw, I put chlorella. I put the acai berry in there. You put ashwagandha, aloe vera root, any of those like herbs in there, those powders in there. It doesn't have to be Seamoss. You know, there's other herbs that have lots of vitamins and minerals. But if you have it, get it in there while you can, okay? And if you need some, hit me up. My link is in my bio, Atlanta. You know how to get some. I am, for my people out of town that want to learn how to do their Seamoss, how to make yummy jelly at home, I'm going to be teaching how to do your own Seamoss. I'm not tired of doing this shit. I don't want to say I'm tired of doing this shit, but I want to educate y'all and, spread the knowledge. I'm not going to be making Seamoss forever, and I want y'all to hook y'all up. I want to set y'all up for success and teach y'all how to make this stuff and make it super, super yummy. So stay tuned for that. I'm working on that right now. Just so that I can get my, my hands free off of the making the actual Seamoss jars, and I can just work on, you know, doing special orders if people want me to do it, and then just teaching you guys. You know, I like to teach, you know, so that's where I'm getting. That's where I'm getting, you know, getting my hands free, and I'm gonna start teaching. Like, even the Reiki, y'all ready to start learning some Reiki, some energy healing? Let's do it. Let's do it. So, I'm getting back into it. I'm getting back into it for real. Yeah, and I'm so proud of myself. Anybody that's working on your root and sacral chakra, or anybody that's working right now on trying to feel safe in this world, trying to feel connected and a part of this world, trying to feel good in this world again, like, you know, just find the joys within yourself again, like, I'm proud of you. Kudos to you. This shit is not fucking easy. It's not easy. It's not easy. Like, I'm not gonna sit here and make it sound like it's easy. I smile all fucking day because I find peace after I get through the fucking bullshit. You know what I'm saying? But it's not easy, and I commend you, and I love you, and I'm so freaking proud of you, if that's what you're working on. Especially like myself, if you've gone through any type of sexual trauma, any type of, you know, abuse or anything like that, like, it's not easy. And if you're holding space with yourself and you are moving forward and trying to push through in your healing, like, yo, that's something regular people don't just do that. You know what I'm saying? So I'm really, 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 really proud of you, and I love you, and I love you, and can't wait to connect with you, because I just feel like whoever is watching this right now and who that resonated with, like, we're totally connected. Yeah. Love you guys. Later.